Okay, you'll have to ignore my hair. This is just what it's going to look like until it grows like this long. Alright, so everyone has been, not everyone, there's been a few people asking for a look because I'm always alluding to how craft based my house is. So everyone's been asking for a look at what it actually looks like because I often talk about the fact that I have a dining room or a lounge room or anything like that. So I had a house inspection this morning, so my house is fabulously clean. So I thought I'd take you through. So I think this will turn around. Oh, look at that! Alright, so entryway leading straight into the sewing room that does not have shapes in it. That has bits of foam in it. Yes, this is my little sewing room. It's a tiny little room. And it's a freezing cold little room. It has all my fabrics. I have lots of nice fabrics. So look at that one. That one. I'm all about the tie-dye at the moment. I bought another one a couple of weeks ago. See, so that's my little tiny sewing room with my fabulous sewing machine, which is so fabulous it gets covered up. There's Boogly. Oh, that was a bit of a fast spin. Do you like that? Painted that. Painted that one also. Most of the paintings on the walls in this house are mine. So yeah, straight away, storage. Alright, we'll go into the kitchen. We'll try not to kick the cat. This is my weird old-fashioned kitchen. So it just looks like a regular kitchen, right? And then, of course, soap. Because, you know, why not? This is actually probably the best side to show you. Yeah, so these are just, they're all infusions. We have bay leaves, madder root, alkanet, calendula, and coffee. And you'll see all of those made at some point. So yeah, they're just all my soaps doing their thing. Got my little soap planer down there that you do that thing with. So, oh, you didn't see that? It's none of your business. No, you guys will know what those are soon enough. So yeah, another one of my crazy paintings. And then yeah, out of the weird, ugly old kitchen, the cat. Hey, Boogly! And the spoiled rotten cats because they get a friggin' water fountain. Oh, look, here's another one. You don't get to see him very often, do you? Little Sozzy. He's me good little mate. Hey-yo. Alright, and then, yeah, as you can see, oh, Jesus Christ, more storage in behind there. There's the 3D printer doing its thing. That's my big desk that I often cut out fabric and whatnot. And then over here we've got loads and loads of storage. In there is nothing very exciting. That is the bathroom and the laundry. Although, Socks, what are you doing? He's so scared of everything. You watch this. I was going to scare the shit out of him. But yeah, soap washing up. And then yes, more storage down in there, but that's all doll stuff in there. All this here though, that's all packaging for when I send online orders. So, and then I've got all my dollies that I have made. Oh, and Frank the Bunny, which I did not make. But yeah, all my girls, and then there's a whole bunch more up there. So, plus, you know, like Trunks, he's so awesome. And a few other bits and pieces, but yeah. Yeah, more storage down here. And then my 2 printers and my Cameo. And then more storage boxes down there for online orders. And then again, more stuff for online orders. And then there's all my filaments. So I've got 3 more colours coming tomorrow because they didn't come today. I currently have orange, green, white, black and blue, and I've got pink, purple and yellow coming. And then that's our little nice outdoor area that the kitties love out there. So Soxy sits in that and that. Boogly doesn't tend to stay out there much. Do you, buddy? Hey. Hello. But it's a bit chilly today. It's only like 20-ish, I think. More storage, of course. That's all my doll stuff. You can see all these are all stands for the dolls. There's all my face masks. But yeah, all my dolls with their faces and heads removed and whatnot. And there's one of my burrito babies. It's easier to work on them when they're wrapped up like that. And yeah, and then yeah, there's more down in there. And this is my bedroom. I'll tell you, nothing happens in here. Another one of my paintings in the corner there. That is not my painting, I did not do that. But that there is where Sock sleeps, because he's a bloody princess. And then, yeah, this is my office. So, I got my beautiful girl here. She's my favourite thing ever that I have made so far. Look, she's even got wonky eyes like Pennywise. I made sure she had wonky eyes because that was important. And she's got a really cool updo, but it's also got like little bits poking off of it on purpose. So she's got a cute little outfit, and she has got a balloon that goes in the hand, but it's a bit heavy. So yeah, my computer, which we will ignore the fact that it's got a game update on it currently, because I swear though, Industries of Titan is a really good game. I'm really enjoying it. So, and yeah, more storage. This is more sort of all the crafty shit that... Oh, I'll get the chair out of the way. This is all the sort of crafty stuff that I'm working on sort of at the moment. I like, whenever I'm doing things, I like to have them sort of at hand. So yes, I've just got all these boy dolls. They're a new thing for me. I've never had boy dolls before. And I always wanted one. And he is my favourite. I think that's Juice Gorgon, I think. That one's Heath Burns. And I don't remember their names at all. Brie likes him the best, and I said, yeah, because he's like typically classic handsome. Like, he just looks like a regular person. And I kind of like him the least. So, but I like Juice because he's got like this, I mean, seriously, look, he's got this tiny cute little nose. I can't wait to repaint him. So, but yes. And also, I have a thing for this blue one whose name escapes me. Just because he's got this big, long face. I think it'll be cool to play with, so. But yeah, I've got new clays that I've never had before. I've got the Ultralight Sculpey. And I've also got this new one, which is only fairly new as far as I know, which is Quick Cure Clay. What it is it never sets up until you add heat to it, but not oven heat. You can use a heat gun. So it cures quickly with a heat tool. So that's really interesting. And I also have some porcelain clay in there, which I haven't used before, which air dries. Because I like to use a lot of clay on my dolls, and I can't put them in the oven. So, but yes, bit of expense here. I bought myself some pan pastels. These things are expensive, but worth it. So yeah, so that's just all, oh Jesus Christ, all my bits and pieces. I've started on a little miniature display room there. It's got a little timber floor and stuff. So, and of course I've got an alien. I also have... No, you can have a look at the mess on my desk while I'm doing this. Oh shit. Oops, a daisy. See, that's also my desktop. I have a thing for aliens, so... And then yes, my cats again. And then yeah, this is my little tiny bathroom off my bedroom with its really old-fashioned tiles and its really mouldy roof. And that's it. That's your... Holy crap. Oh no, it's only 9 minutes. I thought it was 44 minutes, which wouldn't surprise me. Oi. Hello. Bully. What are you doing, buddy? Hmm? And that's it. That's my house. And all my shit. So, and look. There's a really nice book under there. Alright, that's it. So, oh, the printer's finished. Woo! I can take those off now. Alright guys, that's my house. My weird and wonderful little house with its weird and wonderful roof and its timber, fake timber walls everywhere. But yes, it's my house and I like it, so. Alright guys, I'll see you for the next one. Bye!